It's an unboxing. When was the last time you saw an unboxing on this channel? So a big shout out to RunCam for making this happen. And obviously, it's a RunCam product, a RunCam Duo. And more importantly, more relevant to the RC wing and aircraft pilot, this is a RunCam 2 4K. So we're looking at 49 gram weight, and they sent along the dual channel dual charger and 2 batteries, which is fantastic because it's winter here right now. And one thing I've noticed is I sort of kind of run through batteries really quickly. So look at that. It's orange. I have, where is it? The classic silver 1080 version. I wasn't sure about the orange, so I went with the silver for my first one, and I really like this camera. And there's a couple things I really do appreciate about this design. One, this back cover. If you've ever had any kind of contact or interactions with the ground, you know what happens to SD cards that are, just exposed. They go flying out of the camera. And the other thing I really appreciate about this design over some of the cameras I've used in the past is the fact that the battery is swappable. So in the box, right in there, and it's got its little tab. So this is pretty nice. So the card goes in, your SD card loads in, and you put the cover back on, and presto, you have a secure battery. And let's verify that weight. Look at that, 49 grams. That's pretty darn good. That's what they said on the box, 49 grams. I'm impressed. That's good to know. Like I said, in this particular bundle, I went for two batteries, which is perfect for the charger. We'll open up the charger in a second. You get your little information card, your download for your manual, and what else is in this box? You get a charging cable. That's just your standard USB. You get a FPV connection and a sliding tray and a mount. An extra lens cover. The lens is covered. This is something that I really appreciate about the RunCam design, is that little notch, as you can see. And I do a rubber band, and I tend to go in around my electrical connections or something that's going to hold the camera so I don't lose the camera. I rarely will use this piece of equipment, the extra slide. I'll just put a piece of Velcro down there, and I love those little stickers with my name on it. Russo. Blame Andre. So yeah, they also say, I think I read somewhere talking about don't run the batteries right away, charge them up and everything. So again, cables, FPV cable, everything in the box. And then, of course, the charger, which comes with its own cable as well, which is fantastic. And again, 5-volt input, so your standard USB. Nicely done. And another card in there. This is perfect. This is, I believe, oh, look at that, USB-C as well. I think that's what that is. And a normal standard USB. So that's quite handy. And this is a product that if you're doing any kind of remote shooting, this is something I totally recommend, is a pack. And I'll go in there and I'll write on with a marker. I'll write, battery 1, battery 2, and I'll probably end up stealing battery 3 out of the 1080. And that way I have a minimum of 3 packs with me when I go to the field. And when it's minus 30, these batteries do go quickly. And again, like I said, I really appreciate the fact that you can open it up. I've got some other fantastic action cams, and their Achilles heel is once they get cold, they don't work. That's my big charging rig. Big brick. Got some GoPros going. That's my power for my, that's battery power for the big Canon camera. Oh, I'm going to have to revamp everything. Yeah, I need a longer piece of wood. Anyhow, nice visual indication that the lights. So red is charging, green is charged. Pull that guy out as well. There you go. Now that port's been opened. I will probably fly, now that it's 4K, I think I'll be putting a 32 gig SD card in there. I won't go beyond that because it is an onboard wing camera. But looking forward to this. I'm Andre, and that is the RunCam2 4K. RunCam, thank you very much. Really happy to be able to get you guys doing some reviews and showing off the equipment. The batteries are on the charger now, getting everything set up, and tomorrow I'll get out, I'll slap this thing on an airplane. One of the reasons I really like the RunCam style, the RunCam2 style, over something, say, for example, as a GoPro, is on an airplane or a wing, it's low profile. It's out of the wind, it's down, it's attached to the fuselage. You can stick it out further onto the wings and everything without having a lot of that weight. And at 49 grams, it's nothing too serious. For the review, I'll charge up the RunCam2 1080 version and the 4K side by side, and we'll run them on an airplane, and you'll be able to see the difference between the 4K version over here and the 1080, and really just show what all that new resolution is all about. So again, I'm Andre, and this is the RunCam2 4K.